All right, everyone, let's learn step together, starting on the right foot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and. Right together. Left and right and left. 2 more. Right and left and right and left. Moving forward, we have push, turn. Push, turn, right, left together, right together. Adding the knees, we go right and left and kick together, front. Moving on, we're traveling right. 5, 6, 7, and. Right, 2, 3, together, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walking forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, hip, and 2, quick. Heel section. We go 5, 6, back, heel. Heel and slide, and heel and slide. 4, single, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Open. Cross section, you're gonna cross on the 1. We go 5, 6, 7, and cross 1, cross 2, pivot a quarter, turn to the mirror. Cross, and a hip, 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 hip. Last section is a seesaw. You're gonna fall back on the left leg. Fall back, fall front, fall back, fall front, step, wrap, fall back, fall front, fall back, fall front, step, wrap. Great job. I wanna try that a little faster. Faster rhythm, here's your tempo. We go. 5, 6, 7, step together. 1, again, and 2, 2 more, 3, stepping last time. Push, turn, right, left, right, together, the knees and knees, kick and front. Walk right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, hip to the heel, and slide, 4, 3, 2, cross section, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, last part, seesaw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, you're ready to do the workout.